Good morning. As we step into November, there's a sense of anticipation in the air. A quiet before the storm, if you will. The days are getting shorter, and the mornings greet us with a crispness that hints at what's to come. November is off to a deceptively calm start, across much of the country. Many of us are still enjoying those golden autumn afternoons, with leaves crunching underfoot and a gentle breeze rustling through the trees. It almost feels like fall could last forever. Autumn's holding on, but don't be fooled. Big changes are brewing. The skies are starting to look a little more ominous, and there's a subtle shift in the air that signals the end of the mild weather we've been enjoying. We're tracking a major shift in the weather pattern that will bring wintry conditions nationwide. Meteorologists are watching as cold air masses build up to the north, preparing to surge southward and transform the landscape. Get ready for the season's first significant snowfall, strong storms, and the coldest air yet. For many, this will be the first real taste of winter, with snowflakes swirling and winds howling through city streets and rural roads alike. The atmosphere is about to get much more active as cold air dives south and clashes with lingering warmth. This collision will spark everything from heavy snow to icy rain, and even the potential for severe thunderstorms in some regions. This transition marks the true arrival of winter, and it's coming fast. The last traces of autumn will soon be buried under a blanket of snow, and the landscape will transform almost overnight. No matter where you are, you'll feel the effects, whether it's digging out heavy jackets or watching for severe weather. Families are starting to prepare, making sure their homes and cars are ready for whatever the season brings. Millions will see their first snowflakes, and daily life will get a lot more dynamic. Children will rush outside to catch flakes on their tongues, while commuters adjust to slippery roads and longer travel times. Now's the time to find your winter coat and snow shovel. You'll need them soon. Stock up on essentials, check your emergency kits, and make sure you're ready for whatever winter throws your way. The gentle autumn breeze is about to give way to blustery winter winds. Expect gusts that rattle windows and send leaves swirling in every direction, a sure sign that the season has truly changed. This November, winter is knocking loudly at the door. Each day the signs become more obvious: frost on the windows, snow piling up on doorsteps, and the unmistakable chill that settles in after sunset. The calm is ending, the main event is about to begin. The peaceful scenes of early November are about to be replaced by the drama and excitement of the season's first big weather event. Here's what you need to know as the weather story ramps up. Stay tuned for updates, keep an eye on alerts, and get ready to embrace the full force of November's big weather shift. Let's talk about the jet stream, the high-speed river of air that shapes our weather. Imagine a powerful, invisible highway, thousands of miles long, racing above our heads at speeds that can top 200 miles per hour. This isn't just a scientific curiosity, it's the main driver behind the weather you feel every day, from gentle breezes to raging storms. The jet stream acts as a boundary, separating cold northern air from warm southern air, and its position is everything. Where it sits determines whether you'll need a winter coat or sunglasses. It's like a moving fence, constantly shifting and redrawing the line between seasons. When the jet stream flows straight and steady, we get calm, stable weather. Skies stay clear. Temperatures remain predictable, and there's little drama in the forecast. It's the kind of pattern that brings long stretches of sunshine or gentle, steady rain. But when the jet stream starts to dip and wave, things get interesting fast. These bends and curves are where the real action happens, setting the stage for dramatic changes in our weather. A big dip, known as a trough, lets frigid Arctic air plunge deep into the heart of the continent. This cold air can fuel powerful storms, trigger heavy snowfalls, and send temperatures tumbling far below normal. It's how a mild week can suddenly turn into a winter wonderland or a travel nightmare. Ridges, on the other hand, are the opposite. When the jet stream arches northward, it brings warmth and calm to the areas beneath it. These ridges can lead to unseasonably warm spells, melting snow, and even early hints of spring, even in the middle of winter. Right now, the jet stream is shifting from a flat, steady flow to a much wavier pattern, setting up a major change in our weather. This transition is like flipping a switch, opening the door for new weather systems to move in and shake things up. Expect a significant dip over the eastern U.S. soon. This is the express lane for cold Canadian air. As the jet stream sags south, it will pull frigid temperatures and icy winds down from the north, setting the stage for a dramatic cool down. These jet stream waves will drive snow in the Midwest and bring a blast of cold to the East Coast. Cities that have been enjoying mild weather could soon see snowflakes flying and temperatures dropping fast. The battle between cold and warm air along the jet stream's path will spark storms, wild temperature swings, and even the potential for severe weather. Where these air masses collide, expect everything from thunderstorms to sudden snow squalls. This high-altitude dance decides who gets sun, rain, or the first taste of winter. One day you might wake up to blue skies, and the next, find your world transformed by snow or rain. All thanks to the jet stream's ever-changing path. Understanding the jet stream is key to the forecast ahead. Meteorologists watch its every move because even a small shift can mean big changes for millions of people. It's the secret ingredient in every weather forecast. So, as the jet stream takes a wild ride, get ready for a turbulent few weeks. Whether you're hoping for snow, sun, or just a break from the extremes, keep an eye on this high-speed highway in the sky. It's about to make its mark on your weather. Let's talk temperatures, because you'll feel this change the moment you step outside. A major blast of Arctic air is on the way, bringing the coldest temperatures of the season. The Midwest, Great Lakes, Ohio Valley, and East Coast will feel it first, with temps 15-25 degrees below average. This isn't a quick cold snap. Models suggest the chill could linger well into the third week of November. Widespread freezes will reach deep into the southeast, ending the growing season. Meanwhile, the west may see above-average warmth as the jet stream bulges north. It's a tale of two halves, wintry east, milder west. Get ready for a dramatic temperature divide. Let's break down how this dramatic temperature drop will unfold across the country, region by region, and what it means for millions of Americans. As the cold front sweeps in, each area will experience its own unique set of challenges and surprises. In the Northeast and New England, it's time to dig out your warmest winter gear. Highs may struggle to climb out of the 30s, and overnight lows will easily dip into the 20s or even the teens. The chill will be biting, especially in the early mornings, and, after sunset, expect frosty windshields, icy sidewalks, and a sudden need for hot drinks to keep warm. For many, this will feel like winter arriving overnight. Across the Midwest and Great Lakes, residents will be the first to feel the brunt of the cold. Highs will quickly tumble into the 30s, and strong, brisk winds will make it feel even colder than the thermometer suggests. Wind chills could drop into the teens, making outdoor activities uncomfortable and even hazardous at times. The first snowflakes of the season may dust city streets, and the wind will whip across open fields, signaling a true change of seasons. Freezing temperatures will bring an abrupt end to the growing season, with frost blanketing fields and gardens. Farmers and gardeners will need to act fast to protect any remaining crops. The cold air moving over the still warm lakes will set the stage for lake-effect snow, which can pile up quickly in localized areas and create hazardous travel conditions. In the Ohio Valley and Southeast, the temperature drop won't be quite as extreme, but it will still be a noticeable shift. Freezing temperatures could reach as far south as central Mississippi and Alabama, catching some residents off guard. Morning frost will become common, and people will swap out light jackets for heavier coats. Sensitive plants and outdoor plumbing may need extra protection as the cold creeps in. Now is the time to check your home's heating system and make sure it's ready for the season ahead. Insulate exposed pipes to prevent freezing, and consider weatherproofing windows and doors to keep the cold air out. Taking these steps now can help avoid costly repairs and keep your home comfortable as temperatures continue to fall. Meanwhile, the Great Plains will experience a very different story. While the eastern half of the country shivers, much of Texas to Nebraska could see above-average warmth, with sunny skies and mild afternoons. This sharp contrast in temperatures will be felt from one state to the next, creating a patchwork of weather across the heartland. This dramatic difference between warm and cold air masses will help fuel an active storm track right down the center of the country. As the cold front collides with lingering warmth, expect to see fast-moving weather systems with the potential for heavy rain, gusty winds, and even severe storms in some areas. The boundary where warm and cold air meet will be the focus for strong storms and the season's first significant snows. These transition zones can bring rapidly changing conditions. One moment it's sunny, the next, snow is falling or rain is pouring down. Travelers should stay alert for sudden weather changes, especially near these dividing lines. All in all, prepare for a month of wild regional swings. From unseasonable warmth to sudden cold snaps, the weather will keep everyone on their toes. It's a reminder of just how dynamic and unpredictable this time of year can be. The weather battleground is set, and the coming weeks promise a dramatic start to the season across the United States. When cold, dry air meets warm, moist air, storms are inevitable. The setup this November is primed for severe weather, especially in the Ohio Valley and Southeast. As a powerful trough digs in, warm Gulf air will clash with advancing cold fronts. Watch for strong to severe storms from eastern Texas through the lower Mississippi Valley and into the Ohio Valley. Main threats, damaging winds, large hail, and an isolated tornado can't be ruled out. Heavy rain could also bring localized flooding, especially in the southeast. Stay weather aware and have alerts ready. Late-season storms can catch people off guard. The atmosphere is primed for action. We'll keep you updated as these systems develop. Snow lovers, your moment is here. The same storms bringing severe weather south will deliver the first significant snow to the upper Midwest and northern plains. Expect accumulating snow in the Dakotas, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and possibly northern Iowa and Illinois. Roads will be slick. Time to adjust to winter driving. As cold air settles in, more organized snow events are likely through mid-November. The storm track favors more snow for the Midwest and Great Lakes. Get your snow gear ready. Winter is officially arriving. Enjoy the beauty, but stay safe on the roads. East Coast, your turn is coming. After the Midwest, storm systems will shift east, bringing the first flakes to the I-95 corridor. Timing looks likely around November 10th and 11th, but the exact track will decide if you get rain, a wintry mix, or accumulating snow. Big cities like New York, Philly, and Boston will be right on the dividing line. Higher elevations inland have the best shot at early snow. The pattern favors more winter storms for the Northeast as November continues. Prepare your winter emergency kit and stay alert. Nor'easter season is near. The quiet autumn is ending. Winter is ready to make its mark. With cold air pouring in, it's lake effect snow season for the Great Lakes. Frigid air over warmer lake waters creates intense, narrow snowbands. One town can get buried while another stays clear. The snowbelts, like Buffalo, Erie, and upstate New York, are most at risk. This November's sustained cold means the lake effect machine will be in high gear. Residents should prepare for sudden whiteouts and hazardous travel. These events can be high impact, not just a dusting. The Great Lakes' unique geography delivers some of the nation's wildest winter weather. As winter ramps up, the tropics are quiet. No tropical storms or hurricanes are expected to impact the U.S. as the season winds down. Strong jet stream winds and frequent cold fronts are steering storms away from our shores. This could be the first season since 2015 with no U.S. hurricane landfalls, a welcome break for coastal communities. While a late-season storm is always possible, odds are very low. It's time to put away hurricane kits and get out the winter gear. November is here, and a new season of weather is underway.